Hello everyone, this Hollywood wave is one of the most popular videos on my channel. Today I'll share with you some useful tips about this hairstyle and explain some details. First, I divide the hair into large sections and start preparing the hair. Initially I straighten the hair with an iron and then create crimps throughout the root area with thin strands. This often raises many questions. You ask why I straighten the hair and whether crimping is necessary. Many of you write that there simply isn't time for this, but I assure you that this is the best hair preparation. If you don't straighten the hair, it's likely that your hairstyle will look messy and unkempt. If you have little experience, it will be extremely difficult to tease the hair at the root without crimping. Therefore, I consider this hair preparation the best, and it is classic, meaning it suits any hair type. The products you use are not so important. Usually I just straighten and crimp clean hair, but they become neat and crumbly. Then I divide the hair into rows and start curling. I always curl the curls, especially the Hollywood wave, on Schwarzkopf's pump spray. You can also use any other liquid hairspray, or even an aerosol, but it's important to check that your hairspray doesn't leave a strong residue on the hair after using a hot tool. The direction of curling and the position of the curling iron also raises many questions and debates. I prefer to place the curling iron under the strand. In my online course on the Hollywood wave, I explain in detail why. But the main thing you need to understand is that the position of the curling iron and the direction of the twist affect the direction of the wave. I have a separate video on my channel dedicated to different positions of the curling iron and the results of curling. You can choose one position for the curling iron and strands and use it throughout the curling process. If you make a mistake even in one strand and accidentally curl it in the other direction, your wave will not merge into a unified pattern. Therefore, despite the outward simplicity of this hairstyle, it is actually very complicated because it is technically challenging. After curling the entire head, you need to carefully comb out each strand. We cannot rush here. In general, in this hairstyle, especially if you are doing it for the first time, you cannot rush. You will not be able to do it in 30 or 40 minutes. It's simply impossible. You need to allocate from 2 to 3 hours for such a hairstyle. Therefore, if a client shows you the Hollywood wave and wants you to do it in 40 minutes, your task as a master is to explain to them that it is a technically complicated hairstyle and it cannot be done quickly. In 40 minutes you can curl hair on a straightener without prior preparation and comb it into a smooth wave. By the way, this lesson is also in my online course on Hollywood waves. You can watch this and more than 100 other lessons on my Patreon via the link under this video. I carefully remove each strand from the pin and tease from below. Mannequin hair holds curls very well, but in real life they can be quite soft. In such cases, it's better to add powder at the teasing point. It provides greater hair grip and the wave will last all day. And I definitely do not recommend teasing on hairspray. Most likely you will just end up with a mess. For the top part of the hair, on the contrary, I try to smooth it out as much as possible, although this isn't very necessary for the lower rows. For this I use Redken spray wax, but you can use any spray wax, for example Goldwell or just Aussie's Volume Up. I do not recommend using shine at this stage, the hair will become very soft. In general, it's better to use shine only at the very end and then only as a final touch-up. And you always need to remember that sometimes it's better not to use shine spray at all, especially if the hair is very soft and doesn't hold the curl. I hope my tips help you, but if you need a more detailed explanation, I recommend watching my course on Hollywood curls. It consists of 4 detailed lessons, ranging from 40 minutes to 2 hours. I do every curl on models with different hair types. This will help you not be afraid to work even on very long and heavy hair, and on hair that doesn't hold a curl at all. And of course, you can always contact me with any questions. I never charge extra for feedback. I am always available and ready to help answer all questions and review your work. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video I will tell you how to properly style a voluminous bang in the Hollywood wave. I wish you all the best and see you in the next videos.